Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Well, I don't know about you, but for me, I had packed on a few pounds. Now, the area that I packed these pounds is my stomach area. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to get rid of it as fast as I can. So I'm going to share my belly fat burning tea with you. This is a tea that I have made years ago that I personally have seen amazing results getting rid of my belly fat. I had shared this tea with many others and they are like just go crazy about this tea, the fact that it is so effective. So if you're looking for a tea that is going to help you to get rid of belly fat, whether you gained that belly fat during quarantine or you had it carrying around for a long time, what you need to do is follow me to the kitchen. I'll show you how to make this amazing tea so you could give it a try to see if it works for you. Now, to make our weight loss belly fat burning tea, you're going to need a small saucepan since we're going to be boiling the ingredient. Now, let's take a look at what I have here. Here I have some fennel seeds, and fennel is good overall. It's good to put in your favorite stew, but it's also good for weight loss since it helps to suppress the appetite. It helps to boost metabolism, and also calories in food are burned off faster in the body, aiding in weight loss. So definitely, guys, use up your fennel seeds. You can even choose to boil some fennel seeds early in the morning, drink it to suppresses the appetite throughout the day. Now here I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of the fennel seed. If you want to make more than a cup, double up on the ingredient. This amount is good for just 1 cup. And now, guys, let's move on to our next ingredient, which is cinnamon stick. Now, cinnamon is another natural ingredient that is great for weight loss. How it works is that it imitates the biological activities of insulin and increases the metabolism of glucose. Since high blood sugar levels can lead to increased storage of fat by the body, cinnamon helps prevent that increased storage of fat and enable you to lose weight. So definitely, guys, drink it up or use it over your favorite recipes. So I'm going to be using about a 3-inch stick of the cinnamon, and I'm going to add this to the pot along with the fennel seeds. Now let's move on to our other ingredient. Here I have some red pepper, and yes, guys, red pepper. Pepper is amazing for weight loss. What happened is that pepper contains an ingredient called capsaicin. Now, this compound is responsible for the heat that is in hot pepper. It helps with appetite and control increased rate at which the body burns calories. So a little pepper in your favorite stew or a little pepper in your favorite soup is good for speeding up that metabolism and helping you to burn fat. So I'm going to be using a 1/8 teaspoon of a red pepper. Use it according to your taste. Okay, if you like a lot of pepper, you can use a little more. If you cannot tolerate pepper any at all, go ahead and use a little less. Run about a pinch of red pepper. And now we're gonna add this to the pot along with the cinnamon and the fennel seeds. Now take a look at our next ingredient, which is a very popular ingredient when it comes on to weight loss. Here I have some fresh lemon. Lemon is amazing for your tea on a whole, regardless of what tea you are drinking, especially those herbal tea. Now it is for a reason, because it helps you to lose weight and is also good for overall health. They are rich in vitamin C and antioxidant, and their acidity promote good digestion. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use half of this small lemon, and I'm not going to juice the lemon at all. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the half a lemon in small pieces, just cube it, and then I'm going to place it in the pot along with the rest of the ingredient. Now take a look at our next ingredient, another popular ingredient when it comes on to weight loss. Here I have some fresh ginger, and ginger is used for weight loss due to the weight loss properties. It increased metabolism, stimulated circulation, and excrete toxin from the body. You can choose to just boil your ginger, drink it like that, or you can choose to mix it with other ingredients. So here I have some fresh ginger, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to chop the ginger in small pieces. We do not need a lot, around about a quarter cup or so of the ginger, and you can also choose to use less or more ginger according to your liking. So once my ginger is chopped, I'm going to place it in my pot along with the rest of the ingredients. You can also choose to grate the ginger. Now that we have all our ingredients, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add about 2 cups of water to my pot. This is going to allow for evaporation, and once we pour this in, we are going to take it to the stove top, and we're going to be boiling this for around about 15 minutes or so. So let's take this to the stove top and boil. And now guys, after 15 minutes of boiling, this is what it looks like. You can clearly see that we have lost a lot of the water, and we're going to set it aside to cool and simmer down a little more. Now this can be drink either hot or cold. So if you like cold beverage in the evening, go ahead and set it aside to cool. However, if you like a warm beverage in the evening, then you can go ahead and just strain it right away. Now when it comes on to this tea, we do not need to add any form of a sugar to it. You're gonna drink this as is, and all you need is about 6 to 8 ounces of the tea. So drink this every night before you go to bed. Last thing that you do is to drink this tea, and upon arising in the morning, guys, you're gonna feel good. You're gonna feel really active, really alive. Just continue to use this, and before you know it, your belly fat is bye-bye. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. Guys, you can make a large amount of this, let's say about 3 to 4 cups, and you can store this in your refrigerator for about 3 to 4 days. Whenever you're ready to drink, you just take it out, drink it if you drink it cold, or warm it if you tend to drink it warm. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video, leave your comments. Those are always welcome. And if this was the first time watching, don't leave without subscribing. So look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Now here are the links to my other social media platforms. I'm on Instagram as _Khichi, Facebook as Khichibeauty, Snapchat as Khichix. I'm also on Twitter as Khichibeauty. Guys, we also have merchandise. If you look below this video, you're gonna see our merchandise. Support our channel by purchasing your merchandise. We also have membership on the channel. If you look below, you're gonna see a join button. Membership is a recurring fee, monthly, very reasonable, starting from $2.99. So you can choose to become a member. Click on the link and just choose a tier that you are comfortable with.